Thank you for joining us to see how to use CAS Shield to join us for the London Scholars Programme in September. So you should receive a Welcome to CAS Shield email in your Northeastern email address account. Please make sure you check your spam folders in case it has arrived in here. Please click on the email and click Get Started when you're ready to create an account. It will ask you to create a password. I've already created a password for this account, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. Please make sure you select a password which you'll be able to remember, or you will have to reset this. As you can see, there are various things you'll need to complete before you can get your CAS. When you open CAS Shield, you'll have to complete personal information sections and answer various questions which will provide us with information that we require in order to provide you with a CAS. Please answer the questions as accurately as possible, and if you're not sure how to answer any questions, please email visa@nulondon.ac.uk. But most of these questions will just relate to your personal circumstances. For the names section, you must ensure the names match exactly how listed on your passport. This includes any given names, not just your first name, but exactly how it's written on your passport. You'll continue through the personal information section until you've completed it. You'll then need to enter information about your gender, birth, nationality, your contact information and address. You'll have to declare any criminal convictions. You'll have to enter information about your course, English test, passport details, and enrollment support. There'll also be questions about your previous history of traveling and consent that we require. You'll then provide your source of funds and calculator for how you'll be able to provide sources of your financial evidence. Once you've completed the CAS checklist summary, you'll be able to move on to the general documents section. This is where you'll actually upload the documents which your assigned visa compliance officer will review in order to make sure that they meet the requirements of the UKVI. If your documents are rejected, please don't worry. It's to ensure that you have a smooth visa application process, and we must ensure that your documents meet the requirements set out by UKVI in order for your visa application to be successful. Let's start with the passport. You need to enter the information exactly as shown on your passport. So here in the example here, you would find your passport number, the place of issue, which is here, the date of issue, and the date of expiry. For example, we'll just enter some information. This is where you will now choose a file. You can open your folder where you have your documents. I'll select my passport and upload it. Please ensure your files meet the requirements as shown on screen. Once you've uploaded your passport and it has successfully turned green, please click Save and Continue. You have now uploaded your passport. If you need to upload any additional files, please click Add or Update Files, and you can change the file you've uploaded or add any additional documents. You can now upload your academic transcript. Here I will select my final high school transcript for upload. And you'll do the same with your academic certificate, parental consent letter, if you've indicated you'll be under 18, and your birth certificate. The next section will ask you to upload your financial information. You'll have to upload any deposit transfer receipts. So any money you've already sent to Northeastern University, you'll need to upload the receipts here. So please make sure you have all the receipts from Northeastern. If you've indicated you'll be using one of your parents' bank statements, you'll also need to prove that you have the letter from your mother and bank statement. You'll have to go through a CAS interview as well to answer some questions surrounding your arrival. These are the sections that you'll need to complete in order to get your CAS. Please ensure you complete all of these as soon as possible, and if you have any questions, you can message your visa compliance officer directly here. This will go straight to the visa compliance team, and your visa compliance officer will usually have already sent you an introduction email. They will message you directly through CAS Shield here. They'll also provide you any feedback on the documentations that you've uploaded here. If they reject any documents, you will receive an automatic notification. Once you've completed everything here and everything says done, your visa compliance officer will be able to let you know when you should expect your CAS. They will have to take the time to review all your documentation, so please bear with, and they'll be sure to communicate with you how long your CAS will take to be issued. Again, if you have any questions at all, just drop a message to us in the message chat here. Thank you. Bye.